New Era Superintendents was sparked by a simple, powerful question. What would happen if one superintendent said, all of the decisions and priorities of this district will be guided by one principle? We will do whatever it takes to ensure that all of our students get their best shot at achieving proficiency in math and reading and success in life. And what would happen if a nationwide network of superintendents joined forces to pursue this mission together?
New Era superintendents, they really do bring in the best thought leaders, and that's what makes me excited about coming to these.
We're talking about innovative ideas, we're talking about things that are impacting our profession today in really profound ways.
It's a very exciting time with AI in education, so excited just to learn and grow.
It's important that our students understand that they have a leader who's not afraid to learn alongside of them.
I think there is tremendous opportunity.
Getting together and really collaborating on what's our strategic moves to move the needle forward and really help all public schools.
And to look for those new solutions, we have to be daring and we have to be creative and we have to be open to new ideas.
It is a small enough group where real conversations can be had.
The experiences are rich and they're intense. They're very fast moving. There aren't any minutes wasted.
I've been a superintendent for 26 years, and so it's great to be able to come somewhere where I am learning something new and am seeing something different.
I want to ensure that my students have the access to the best, and to me that means for me to go out and seek those things and doing whatever it takes to ensure that we have the right resources and access and opportunities for our students.
Here, we're future focused and thinking about solutions of tomorrow.
You really have to have that doing whatever it takes mentality. Like, I am going to put students and student achievement at the forefront of every decision that I make.
It's time to step up and step out and attend conferences like this and network as much as possible to stay connected in today's world of educational leadership.